As we promised in the last video about Binkahamba or Monronia pinnata, in this video we are going to tell you more about how to make a better soil mixture, the way of growing, the pro and cons of cultivation, and finally maintaining disease control. First, let's see how to make the soil mixture for Binkahamba plants. Before that, this is what we collected: half decayed mulch, next compost. In this video we only mixed these to a ratio of 1:1. Apart from these, you can make this potting mix using reddish-brown soil and sand with compost. We will show you on the next screen at what ratio you need to use them. Or else you can mix topsoil and compost to make this potting mix for Binkahamba. Moreover, we need to consider a few major things before making this mixture. The first one is a soil medium that is capable of good water flow. The second thing mitigates the chance of rise fungus, and it should have enough organics. You can be mixed to the following ratio. This research was published in 2007 by Jayewardenepura University of Sri Lanka. They conduct this research on mass propagation of Binkahamba in greenhouse establishment. In addition, they compare seeds and in vitro plant growth as well. The most important point they have revealed here is that, after testing many combinations of sand and compost, according to that, the 3:1 sand to compost ratio showed the best survival rate. This is another research which conducts on Monronia pinnata. They grow all the samples with topsoil, compost, and sand 1:2:1 ratio. If the topsoil contains enough sand, no need to add a separate part of sand to the potting mix. Now let's see what should not add to your potting mix. Animal fertilizers like goat or chicken manure, cow dung, harsh fertilizers like blue or purple granular, and any homemade liquid fertilizers. Now you see dead plants after adding new dried cow dung, which was too harsh for the Binkahamba plant roots. How to grow Binkahamba in cultivation. We use 14 centimeters diameter pot and do not want to select too larger pot for Binkahamba plant. Another thing is that make 4 to 5 holes and do not need to cover the bottom when filling the pot. Fill up with the soil mixture at least 1 centimeter below. After planting like we showing, keep them in a shady place until 2 to 3 weeks to set them well. If you select the 3-leaflet Binkahamba plant type, do not expose to rain anyway. This is from the same research we showed. All the plants were kept under a 70% shade net and applied a Captain fungicide for the plants. In addition, they used 7-leaflet Binkahamba variety to conduct this research. If we tell something about the Binkahamba cultivation, honestly, we do not have much experience with Binkahamba cultivation. Yet we opt to share our few experiences with you. Pros of Binkahamba cultivation. High price in the market. Currently the selling price is between $50 to $100. In Sri Lanka at around 32,000 to 40,000 rupees. Easy to find buyers for Binkahamba. For an example, Ayurvedic herbal medicine and health store, Ayurveda product companies, and local Ayurveda doctors. Because Binkahamba take as the main ingredient for treatment, it has a high demand. Cons of Binkahamba cultivation. To make 1 kilogram Monronia atlas need 120 to 150 dried plants, and takes over 1 year period to grow well. The time duration is quite long, though the market price high. No repetition of harvesting. Because you need to remove the whole plant. So you need to maintain 2 or 3 plant sets of different ages. Another matter is the low germination of seeds, somewhat problem to make new plants in commercially. This reason is also highlighted in our selected research paper. Though the selling price is somewhat high, the purchasing price is low as 22,000 to maximum 25,000 rupees. Some places will offer you less than this range. The major issue is a lack of knowledge about commercial growing and experience sharing about Binkahamba. Most researchers has mentioned this problem on their researches. Another severe problem is how to keep this plant alive for a long time by mitigating the problems that have a chance to occur. How to maintain and control diseases. Now you see the biggest problem we faced, fungus infections. As we mentioned earlier, the available best solution is to keep routine of applying fungicide. Watering in the morning and keep only moistened soil. Most commonly this occurred when too much watering, or uncontrolled watering in rainy seasons, or when plants not have sufficient sunlight. Another issue we faced was nutrition deficiencies. To cover up, we usually add Nurtricate, which is controlled release fertilizer with a basic soil mixture. Effective mealybugs is another problem we faced. It can be controlled easily with available products on the market or some homemade remedies, which we would like to tell you in the next videos. Be careful when removing small plants, which grow under the mother plants. It can damage the roots of the mother plant. Remove the bottom leaves, which mostly cover the topsoil layer, not allowing sunlight and blocking air circulation under the Binkahamba plant. Do not let weeds to grow. Remove them once see them. This is the end up of this video, guys. Hope you learned something useful. Don't forget to share it. Finally, when compared with other commercial plants, there should be enough systematic knowledge and research on Binkahamba. Because of this, need more dedication and technological advancement to improve it as a cultivation crop. In the next video, we are going to tell you about the toothache plant and its benefits. Thanks for watching until the end.